Welcome back. Hope you're having a good morning so far. The SGX Nifty is indicating that after yesterday's sharp pullback and the market resuming 18,000, today perhaps things could get better, up about 50 odd points. Let's get straight to our research team. They're tracking a couple of important stocks of the day. Vivek is joining in first up. Vivek, HEG is on your radar?
Good morning. Well, a very interesting development as far as HEG is concerned. The company has gone ahead and incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary named TACC. Now, the main purpose of this particular subsidiary is to go ahead and manufacture graphite anode for lithium-ion cells. An interesting business opportunity that HEG has identified. Now, 2,000 crore capex is what they've announced. It's going to be done in two phases. Phase one is 1,000 crore capex to cater to almost 10 to 12 gigawatt hour of cell manufacturing capacity, and another 1,000 crore capex that the company will do, and this is mainly to cater to 20 to 22 gigawatt manufacturing capacity for the entire lithium-ion cell opportunity that they see.
That is correct. We did have the management earlier, and they did indicate that there is an 800 to 1,000 crore opportunity from this plant, margins at around 30-35%. But Vivek, hang in there. You have a bunch of other stocks that you're watching out too.
Well, that's right. Quite a few stocks on my radar. So Time Technoplast is the other stock that we are looking at today. The company has got a repeat order from Adani Total Gas, and this is for the supply of CNG cascades. The value of this particular order is close to 75 crore. Some negative news flow coming in for IRB InvIT. Now, what's actually happened is that the company has temporarily suspended toll collection at IRB Pathankot Amritsar Toll Road. This is on the back of farmers' agitation that Punjab is witnessing currently. Remember, even last year around the same time, the company was forced to suspend toll collections in this particular toll road. Also, keep an eye out for NTPC, an interesting MOU that the company has signed with a company known as Technimont. This particular company is actually a subsidiary of Indian subsidiary of an Italian company known as Merit Technimont Group. And the main purpose of this particular JV that NTPC is pursuing is to jointly explore the possibility to develop commercial scale green methanol. So an interesting foray there. It'll be interesting to see what kind of fillip this gives to NTPC's renewable arm.
All right, thanks very much, Vivek, for that. Those names we will keep an eye on. But oil prices are in focus this morning. They're up a little bit. Manisha is here with more. Manisha, hi, good morning.
Morning, well, yes, the crude oil prices clearly seem to be building onto the 2 weeks of gains that we've already seen, and the WTI overnight surged above $80 a barrel as well. Well, remember, the market participation is really thin, and so are the volumes, but we have seen gains continue in case of the crude oil prices. The latest trigger clearly comes in from Russia, which says that they are going to cut output by 5 to 7% in response to the G7 price cap. The Russian Baltic exports could also fall by 20% in the month of December on a month-on-month basis. Also, because of the storm Elliott, we have seen large U.S. refineries shut in Texas and North Dakota. 1.5 million barrels per day of refining capacity along the U.S. Gulf Coast is also shut. And not just crude, gasoline, diesel, heating oil, natural gas prices also have gained anywhere between 2 to 4% in the last 24 hours.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. So that's a big up move that you're seeing in crude this morning. Let's see the impact that it has on certain sectors. But here's a quick recap of our top stocks. Stocks with positive news flow, there's HEG, Time Technoplast, NTPC, ONGC and Oil India. While stocks with negative news flow, there's IRB InvIT, Asian Paints, Berger Paints, Kansai Nerolac and Indigo Paints.
All right, with the micros, let's move on to the macro once again. As part of our special series,